Grand Rising. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. One more time. Breathe in through your nose. Hold it and release. Let go of sleep. Let go of worry. Let go of doubt. This is your moment. The moment you choose your mindset. You choose your reality. Now imagine your dream life has already happened. You are not chasing it. You are not waiting. You are living it. Feel the peace of waking up in that version of your life where everything is aligned, where you feel fulfilled, free, inspired, and deeply loved, where your purpose flows through everything you do, where the people around you respect you, support you, and celebrate you. Your bank account reflects abundance. Your environment reflects calm and beauty. Your body feels strong. Your mind feels clear. This is not fantasy. This is a state. And right now, you are stepping into that state. You are remembering who you really are. Say to yourself, quietly or out loud, I already am the version of me who lives this dream. I no longer try to become. I simply am. My job is to live in the knowing, to walk in certainty, to speak with clarity, to act with intention. I allow myself to feel successful now. I allow myself to feel loved now. I allow myself to feel fulfilled now. The world will rise to meet the version of me I have chosen to be. So today, you are not reacting. You are responding from power, not pressure. You don't beg for the life you want. You lead it. You don't prove your worth. You embody it. Your energy speaks before you do. So ask yourself, what would the future version of me do today? How would they move? How would they speak? How would they carry themselves? Do that. Be that right now. Take one final deep breath. And as you exhale, drop fully into certainty. It is already done. It is already yours. Your only job is to live like it. And now you will. Isn't it wonderful? It is done.